Hello everybody, Lucy Bunny 99 aka Elizabeth Dawson here. Welcome back for more videos of video games lesson. Yeah, we are back to do list of Xbox Series X and Series S games. This is part 2 of it. So remember, all these videos in this lesson are spoiler ahead. Please play on your favorite video games and everything else first before watch this video. Take your time to watch yourself. Oh, before we get started, there are change order to sign to save Smash Mounted. We are still in the process. Look at that. If you guys are the biggest fan of this ride, we still had a lot of time before the year 2024. But please, get a lot of sign to save this ride. And then you take the next step. It's your choice to chip in the pay or your share instead. It's your choice. Please, if you love this ride very much, say the ride. Oh, in case you don't know, we are down below. Besides, the ride is stuff and there are no racism in there. That first said, it not. Just go see it for yourselves. And of course, don't forget comment to what is your opinion. In my opinion, Redeeming Tail Princess Tiana is not massive critter constantly land at all. But it do, and there's some area who has a room for it to order to build her own ride. It's set. Or another restaurant. Please, we still have a lot of time for that. Anyways, get back to the video game lesson. This is where we left on. Remember, if I go too fast, you have to look it up to see for yourself for the split for any game console name as well. Okay, this game it came out on D2 for this year. And this is going to be planned to come out this year. But you had to wait and see. And I also like to thank you for support the channel as well. Please visit my second channel, Elizabeth Dawson, as well. You need a lot of work as well. And my goal for this lesson is want to be complete. Need to finish it once for all. You know, to get it done. I almost forgot to mention there are a lot of games that coming out next year. But if you see the release date, guys, wait and see. And in case you don't know, I had a older brother, so definitely 93. He had a lot of games on different playlists. So check him out. And you guys are a fan of Devil May Cry 5 and stuff. And of course, some of the games. Okay, here another one for another game console. You see right here, not until next year. So wait and see. And this it came out this year on a different game console, of course. And feeling them and we don't know. So just wait and see. And please be patient with the game developer and everything else first. We don't know this one as well. Oh, the Android and iOS it also the count as well because it's our smartphone and iPhone because we do have game apps on our phones that we play with. Alright, we got this game coming out this month. So today is October 18th. So you guys are excited? So on for and also you see right here Mac OS is an Apple laptop as well. We do our PC and Chromebook as well, and everything else too. It's also a very important part as well. We do play our games. And that's as planned. discipline for the next year, but please wait and see. With this stuff right here, see you next video. Bye.